Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class we have discussed about our basic needs clothes. So let me revise whatever I finished in the previous class. Then I will continue the lesson. Now tell me children, why we all need clothes? Why we all need clothes? Tell me. Yes, to protect us from sun rays, cold, rain. Very good. Then to cover our body. You know? Very good. Last one, to protect us from insects. So we need clothes. You know children? So there are the varieties of clothes we will wear in different occasion, festival, function. You know children? So when the season comes, our wearing style is changed. Now tell me children, which clothes do you like to wear in summer? Which clothes you will wear in summer? Tell me. Yes, light cotton clothes. Why you will wear the only cotton clothes in summer? Why you can't wear the woolen clothes, synthetic clothes? Tell me. Yes, cotton clothes keeps cool. It keeps us cool. So we will wear the cotton clothes. Which types of clothes we will wear in winter season? Tell me children. Yes, in winter season we will wear woolen clothes like sweater, scarf, hand gloves, muffler, monkey cap we will wear, no? Yes. So these are all the things we will wear in the winter. Why you will wear the woolen clothes in winter season? Because, yes, because woolen clothes keeps our body warm, hot. Yes. So which things you will use to protect yourself from rain? Tell me children. Yes. Raincoat, umbrella, then gumboots and rubber shoes. Fine children. Now tell me which things you like to eat and drink in the summer season? Yes, cold juice. We say the cold drinks. Then ice cream because it's too cold. Yeah, the children, so these things you like very much to eat and drink in the summer season. And in the winter and the rainy season, everything you like the hot only. Hotter. Hot coffee, hot milk, whatever your mother is preparing in the kitchen. All the food items should be hot only because the weather is cold. So we like to eat the hot things, spicy things in the winter and rainy season. Yeah, children, and I have given the homework also for you. Have you done your homework? Yes, then send me in the app. So today children, you are going to learn about how the peoples in the different parts of India, they wear the special clothes. You know children, so we have the 28 states. You know children, so all the 28 states wear the different kinds of the clothes. People wear the different kinds of the clothes. And the children, so today we are going to learn peoples in different parts of India have their special clothes. Different parts of different India, what do they have? Have that special clothes. Have that special clothes. So we'll see how the people wear the different clothes in the different state. We'll start from the top of the map. That is the what? Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir, you can see the people wear the chudidar. And the children, they will wear the chudidar dresses. Top, then pant and what? Dupatta. We are the children. If you come little down, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, like that if you come down, then you can see the people style, wearing style, clothing style, it is a change. When you come to the Rajasthan, you can see they will wear the ghagra. You know? So there is numbers of works we can see. They will use the glass, then stones, everything they will use, embroidery work, everything we can see on their ghagra only. And the children, they will wear the bangles so much, then their hairstyle is a change, everything is a change. You know? And that is the ladies wear the ghagra chunni. And if you see the gents, what they will wear the short kurta and dhoti, then one safa, pagdi. And the children, what they will wear the pagdi. So this is called the pagdi they will wear. And then style, the dressing style is how it is. It is like this. They have the like small frock, then down is a dhoti they will wear. So this is the style of the Rajasthan. And what about the ladies? Ladies wear the ghagra. They will wear the ghagra. So on that ghagra we can see the numbers of work, glass, embroideries, everything, beads we can see on that. You know, children? So this is the clothing style of the Rajasthan. Yes. So like that, if you go to the Assam, then Assam again it's the change. They will wear the long top and the dupatta they will tie on their head. Yes or no? Again like that, if you go to the Maharashtra, their style is a change. You know, dhoti kurta. So every state, each state have the different types of the clothes the people wear. If you go to the Saudi Arabia, then again we can see their clothing style is a change. They have the long jubba and then they will cover with that the hat and then they are leaving the towel. So like that the style is a change. When you go to the America, you can see the ladies wear mostly, almost we say the 70 to 80% ladies wear the skirt, top, jeans, t-shirt. So their style is that only. We won't find that people are wearing the chudidar and sari because they are the working women. So they have to wear the jeans, t-shirt, top, skirt, you know. Suits we can see, the gents are wearing the suits. That is the out of country. Yes. If you go to the Britain, you can see the ladies were wearing the long frock. They will wear the very long frock. You can see. They will wear the very long frock and then they have to supposed to use the what? One hat. They will use the one hat. And then they will carry the one small umbrella. They will carry the one small umbrella. Yes. If you go to the Sikkim, again then Tamil Nadu, Bengal, so the style is a change only. Yes. So all the peoples, all the different states wear the different kinds of the dresses. Here I will show the some images, just you can see, then you will come to know how they will wear the clothes. Here you can see children, these peoples are Punjabi people. You can see the Punjabi peoples. What is the style? Dressing style. See here. What is the dressing style? Chudidar, one dupatta, and then see the gents. It is different only. And then see the shoes also. Shoes also different. When you go to the other state, in the Tamil Nadu, you can see the style is changed. See the sari, then flowers, everything. See the style. Again, when you go to the Assam, see the Assam, you know, the style is changed. Again, when you go to the Maharashtra, see, what is the style? Sari, dhoti, kurta, and then one topi. Then, in the Kashmir, you can see the Kashmiri people, chudidar. See the style, the chudidar, the wearing the chudidar, it is a change only. Again, when you go to the Bengal, you can see again the style is changed. Then finally, when you go to the Sikkim, see the way the wearing, it is a top and skirt, but it looks so different and so pretty. Yani children, so here you can see all the different kinds of the states, they wear the different kinds of the clothes. Yani children, see the once again, see the colors, everything you can see how the style is changed. Yani children, everything it is a change. Sometimes when you participate in the fancy dress competition, what you will do? Children, tell me what you will do. Yes, you will wear the different kinds of the dress. Yes. So these are the different people in the different parts of India. They different parts of India have their special cloth. They will wear when you participate in the fancy dress competition. The teacher will ask, no, what you want to become in the participant, which character. So she will ask, you will say, I want to become the Assami, Bengali, then Gandhiji, Chacha Nehru, yes or no, then soldier. Yes, you will participate and you will give your name also. Then what you will do? You will get up like that only. You will ready like that only. If you are becoming the Gandhiji, if you are becoming the Assami, if you are becoming the Rajasthani, etc. Which part you are taking, which part you are participating. So you will get up like that only. Everything you will purchase. Everything should be same only, because you want to looks like Rajasthani, you looks like Gandhiji only, Assami only. Yes, Punjabi people only, Tamil Nadu people only, Bangla people only. So you will purchase all the things same. Yes or no? Especially in the fancy dress you will do. But here, these people, these all kinds of clothes, they will wear in the some occasion only. Clear children? So like that only, other countries also have the special type of costume like Saudi Arabia, Britain, Japan, China, then in India, Spain. So all the countries have the different kinds of the clothes. Our is different. India's cloth is different only. What the wearing style it is different. Almost we will use the chudidar and sari only. Whenever if there is any function, marriage function, ceremony is there, wedding anniversary is there, any marriage program is there, what the ladies will wear here in the India? Ladies will wear the sari. Cotton sari, silk sari, Banarsi sari they will wear, and the gents they will wear the kurta. Yes or no? They will wear the kurta, dhoti. Yes or no? So our dressing style is a change. If you see to the other country, then their country, the the dressing style is a change. So like that, each country has its special costume. Let me show you that all the special countries' costume. Okay, children? Okay, children, just you can see the wearing style of other country. See here. This is a Britain. See the Britain style, long frock, and the way that man is wearing the cloths. You can see this is the Saudi Arabia. You can see the Saudi Arabia's cloth. It is a full long only. And children, the next you can see the India's cloth. See here, sari and then dhoti and kurta. Yeah, children. The next you can see here, Japan. See the Japan clothing style. The next is the Spain. See the Spain. The way see the wearing the clothes, it is a similar only. Yeah, the children, it's a similar. See this, see, it's the Pakistan chudidar, jubba. It's the Pakistan dressing style. This is the Kenya. You can see. So these are the different countries. You can see different countries. Each country has its special costume. You can see that each country has its special costume. Yeah, no children. So these names they had given, it is not correct. We have to match it. This work will do the later. Just you can see the wearing style. Yeah, no children. Yes. So these are the some country has its the special costume. Yeah, no children. So each country has the different style only. The way they wear the clothes, it is a different. Some countries you saw, they will wear the long frock. Some countries they wear the short and they will use the umbrella, chudidar, then sari. So all are wearing the different only. Yes, children. So why they wear the different types of? Why we wear the different types of clothes to look beautiful and pretty? Whenever in your home there is a opening ceremony. How is opening? We say opening ceremony. Then what your mother will wear? She will wear the border sari, silk sari, Banarsi sari she will wear. You know. And then what about your father? The father will wear the dhoti and white kurta, then one topi, white color, one cap, topi he will wear. That means what the tradition is like that only we should wear. In the marriage also in India we can see the ladies wear the sari. Hindu wear the sari, Muslims wear the chudidar, Christians wear the long frock. Yeah, the children. Then again if you see the Punjabi wear the Punjabi dress. Yeah, no. So like that, all the countries, all the states have the different style only. So each part of each part of the body has its own specific cloth. Each part. If you see the head, if you take the head, then what you will use? Which types of cloths you will use to cover your head? Tell me, children. When it is hot, you will use the scarf, cotton scarf, and you will cover it. Sometimes you will use the cap also. Not only the one type of cap, different types of cap, hats you will use to protect your head. Yeah, children. So what I want to say here, each part of the body has its own specific clothes. For to cover our head, there is a caps are there. Yeah, children. What you will use? Different kinds of the caps we will get. Yeah, ladies will use like this. Then gents will use like this cap. Yes or no? So there is a varieties of caps are that you will use for what? To cover your head. Yeah, children? You will use to cover your head. Now come to the hands. What you will do for hands? You will wear the full sleeves, frock, shirt, t-shirt, half t-shirt you will wear to cover. Yes or no? To cover your body part, chest and all the things. You will wear the shirt, frock, then t-shirts. And what about these finger parts? You will use the hand gloves. Yes or no? You will use the hand gloves. So this is called the hand gloves you will use to cover your fingers. Yes, children. Sometimes what will happen if you are wearing the frock, t-shirt, jeans, pant, you will use the socks also. You will use the socks to cover your foot. You will use the socks. So here see, each part of the body has its own specific clothes to cover our body. Sometimes we will use the scarf to cover our face also, because too much hot, too much cold, then we will cover. Scarf means not only the woolen scarf, we are using the cotton scarf also. Yes or no? So how that we are covering our each part of body, we are protecting ourselves. Yes. So this is about the different parts of India have that special clothes. Children, which cloth do you like to wear, children? If there is any function in home only, suppose there is any marriage function is there, which cloth do you like to wear? Girls, yes, you like to wear the long frock, very good. Then ghagra chunni, very good. Then here boys, what about boys? You will wear the jeans, very good. Then suits, very good. So this is the special clothes, special dresses you will wear in the special occasion only, special function only you will wear to look very beautiful and pretty. Children? Yes. So this is about the today's class. What we learn, children, in today's class? Today's class we will learn how all the countries and the states have the different part. They have the different kinds of clothes. They have the special clothes. All the countries, all the states, each country has its special costumes. Children, so whatever I finish today's class, based on that I will give the one small activity. We will do the activity. Then later I will give the homework also, children. Children, whenever you will go to shop to purchase the dresses, when you ask the shopkeeper, show me the dresses, he will show the varieties of dresses. He will show the varieties of dresses, and in that varieties of dresses you have to purchase, you have to select for yourself. That time it's very difficult to select. You know children, you know, because all frocks, all the jeans, t-shirt, top, all are looks very beautiful. Which one to take? We are confusing. We confuse to take which is good, this good or that good. If you take this one, means that one also looking very good, no? So you are leaving this, you are taking that. When you take that from, that jeans is looks very beautiful. So like that, because we likes all the frocks, it is very difficult to purchase in that one frock. So you will go, or you will go along with your parents only. Yeah, no children? Yes or no? Yes. Now we'll do the activity. Activity. Okay children, just to see here, I will draw the one face. Here you can see, I am drawing the one face. One boy is, okay? Boy is giving the smile. Just to see here. Yes. So, this is the one boy. Now here, I will draw the different kinds of the cloths. I will draw the different kinds of the cloths. What you have to do, you have to show where each items of cloth is worn. Okay children, see, this is the hand gloves. It is the hand gloves. Then next here I will draw the socks. What is that? It's a sock. It's a socks. Okay children? Then next I will draw the shoes. It's what? This is a shoes. Okay children? Shoes. Then next, this side, I will draw the shirt. It's the shirt. This side I will draw the one small skirt. Okay, it's a skirt. It's a skirt. Then another side I will draw the one pant. What is that? It's a one pant. What is this? It's the one pant. Now next I will draw the one tie. See children, I have drawn all the things. Now here what you have to do, one more I will, one I left. One more hat. Yes, I will draw the hat here. Yes, here only. will draw the T-shirt. It's a T-shirt. Now see here, draw an arrow to show where each item is worn. So draw an arrow. So where the each item is worn. Okay children. Now you have to draw this. Take a pencil and put the arrow mark. If you are a boy, then you have to use the shirt and pant and then hat. Different. If you are a girl, then you have to use the skirt. Okay children. So this activity you have to do in your EVS notebook. You will do the children. So these all the things you have to mark. If you are a boy, then use the shirt and pant. If you are a girl, then you have to use the skirt and T-shirt and this hat. And remaining thing is same only. Socks where should come? Just one I will show you. Okay. See for example, hand gloves you will wear in the fingers. So like this you have to put the arrow. Use the different kinds of color. Take the help of your parents to draw these all the things and that. But arrow you have to put yourself only. Drawing, take the help of your parents. So I will write the question here. Draw an arrow. See here. Draw an arrow. Show where each item is worn. Each item is worn. Item is worn. Each dresses is worn. Okay children, so this is the question. So this you have to do taking the help of your parents. So this is our today's class children. You have to do this in the EVS notebook. Write the lesson name, then write the activity and then write the question. Draw an arrow, show where each item is worn. So what I have shown, see the hand gloves you will wear in the fingers only. Now remember children, if you are a boy, then use the shirt and pant. If you are a girl, then use the skirt and T-shirt. So this work you have to finish in your EVS notebook and then send me in the app. Thank you children.